7 tricks to keep your bathroom sparkling clean. 1. Shower head. Get rid of the nasty buildup on your shower head. Put the head in a plastic resealable bag filled with vinegar and fixate the bag with a rubber band. Leave it there for an hour. After removing the bag, let it run for 1 or 2 minutes and wipe it. Your shower head has never been so clean. 2. The toilet. For this method, you'll need a can of cola. Just pour it into the bowl, let it stay for 30 to 60 minutes and scrub away afterward. You can also use 1/4 cup of mouthwash instead of cola or again, vinegar. It will kill all the bacteria. 3. Using a steam machine with oil. Steam kills bacteria and can be a good solution for cleaning walls and floors. But you can also add some essential oil to the water to make a fresh natural scent in the bathroom. 4. Clean hard water stains using a lemon. This solution is simple and smart. Take a lemon and cut it in half. Use each half as a brush for each problematic spot. It is especially good for chrome surfaces. You can also add some salt for the more difficult spots. 5. Mirrors. Don't forget to clean mirrors and glass surfaces. But if you forgot to buy a special spray, don't worry. Domestic baking soda is a good method to make surfaces shiny. Or brew 3 bags of black tea and pour it into a spray bottle. After spraying on the mirrors, wipe it with a newspaper. 6. The bathroom sink. There are several tips to help keep your bathroom sink clean. Put some baking soda or white vinegar on your sink and rinse with hot water. Brush the metal parts of your sink with a lemon. 7. Use dryer sheets to fight the rings in your bowl. This method requires wearing rubber gloves. Take some dryer sheets and scrub the ring in your toilet till the spots vanish. You can also use a sponge to clean the bowl. Apply a cleaning agent on the whole surface of your toilet and then begin cleaning the inner walls with the sponge. Don't forget to wear gloves.